Hi, this is Simon Karp at Onelan. We're here at ISE 2020 showing our Reserva for hospitality solution. Here we have a 21.5-inch display with an integrated player. It's the NTB operating system used in all of our media players. We've got lots of features here which are ideally suited to the hospitality market. We're integrating with systems like Amadeus, Sales and Catering, and Oracle. And we can show very clearly on the screen here the current status of this room and the event that's currently in progress. This fully integrates with our digital signage content management system, and as you can see, you can use this screen not only to show the event schedule but also some advertising content. It's a really valuable opportunity for guest engagement for a hotel and trying to retain customers and guests within the property a little bit longer and to spend a little bit more money in the other services available at the property. We've got a really simple user interface for front desk staff to make quick and easy changes to the content. Here, perhaps at the weekend, we have a wedding. We can very easily drag and drop an image into a web page here, and that instantaneously appears on the room sign to give a much more personal look and feel to the content on screen. You can find out more at reservaroomsigns.com and onelan.com.